Let's understand a case study on globalization with a real lifestyle example.
Apex Global is a big technology company based in Silicon Valley. Instead of opening large offices in India, it works through something called a virtual CES. This means the company operates digitally, without setting up factories or offices like earlier companies.
Apex Global uses an AI-based online platform. Through this platform, it gives coding and digital marketing work to thousands of Gen Z freelancers in cities like Bengaluru and Hyderabad. These workers are sometimes called cloud collar workers because they work online, from anywhere, using the internet.
Here is the important part. These workers are paid in US dollars and earn high hourly rates, but the company does not treat them as employees. They are called independent contractors. What does this mean? This means no job security, no paid leave, no employee benefits.
Because of liberalization, Apex Global can enter the Indian market easily, avoid many traditional trade barriers, hire workers globally without setting up offices. But there is a hidden side.
Apex Global uses something called dynamic algorithmic monitoring. A computer algorithm constantly watches their work. Each worker gets an efficiency score. If this score goes down, the system automatically reduces their visibility. They get fewer projects from global clients.
This case study shows both the benefits and challenges of liberalization, which CBSE often asks in case study questions.
If this cleared your confusion, please subscribe for more such explanations. Please check out our videos on other case studies.